20 print-on-demand websites list. 1. Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is an invite-only program that allows designers to upload t-shirt designs, which Amazon then prints and sells on its platform. It's a highly attractive option due to Amazon's vast customer base, but entry into the program can be competitive. 2. Printful. Printful is a leading print-on-demand service that integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. It offers a wide range of products including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. Printful handles everything from printing to shipping, making it an ideal solution for entrepreneurs looking to sell custom products without holding inventory. 3. Teespring. Now Spring allows creators to design and sell custom merchandise without upfront costs. It's popular for its ease of use, providing tools to design and sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and other items. The platform takes care of production, shipping, and customer service, making it a hands-off experience for sellers. 4. Redbubble. Redbubble is an artist-focused platform where creators can upload designs to be printed on a variety of products like clothing, stickers, and home decor. It's a global marketplace that promotes artists' work and offers customers unique, often quirky, designs. Redbubble handles all aspects of production and shipping. 5. Society6. Society6 caters to artists and designers looking to sell their work on high-quality products such as wall art, furniture, and home decor. The platform is known for its premium offerings and is popular among consumers looking for artistic, one-of-a-kind items. 6. Zazzle. Zazzle offers an extensive range of customizable products, from clothing and accessories to home goods and electronics. Users can either create their own products or open a store to sell their designs. Zazzle's vast product range and customization options make it a versatile platform for creators. 7. Spreadshirt. Spreadshirt specializes in custom apparel, offering a range of clothing and accessories like t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases. It also allows users to create their designs and sell them through an online store or marketplace. Spreadshirt is particularly known for its quality printing and vast product options. 8. Guten is a print-on-demand service that integrates with your online store, providing a large selection of customizable products. It's known for its flexible pricing and global network of print providers, which allows sellers to choose the best options for their needs. 9. TeePublic. TeePublic is a marketplace for independent artists to sell their designs on t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel. It's known for its community focus and supports artists by offering them a platform to showcase and sell their work to a broad audience. 10. CakePress. One of the pioneers in the print-on-demand industry, CakePress offers a wide range of products that users can customize or purchase pre-designed. It's a popular platform for gifts, novelty items, and personalized products. 11. Bonfire. Bonfire is unique in its focus on apparel fundraising campaigns. It allows individuals, organizations, and non-profits to design and sell custom t-shirts with no upfront costs. Bonfire also offers a direct selling option for those looking to sell merchandise without the fundraising element. 12. Threadless. Threadless is a community-driven platform where artists can submit designs, which are voted on by the community. Successful designs are then sold on various products, with artists earning royalties. Threadless is particularly popular in the artist community for its collaborative and competitive approach to design. 13. Teelaunch. Teelaunch is a print-on-demand provider that integrates with Shopify, offering a variety of customizable products like apparel, home goods, and accessories. It's known for its easy setup process and the ability to quickly scale up your product offerings. 14. Sunfrog. Sunfrog specializes in t-shirts but also offers other apparel and accessories. It provides tools for designing and marketing your products, making it a good choice for those who want to focus on apparel sales. 15. Gelato. Gelato is known for its local production model, which reduces shipping times and costs by producing items closer to the customer. It offers a variety of products including apparel, wall art, and stationery. Gelado's emphasis on global production networks makes it an attractive option for international sellers. 16. Fine Art America. Fine Art America focuses on high-quality art prints, allowing artists to sell their work on canvas, framed prints, and other fine art products. The platform also offers other merchandise like apparel and home decor, but it's best known for its premium art offerings. 17. Teapop. Teapop is a European-based print-on-demand service with a focus on eco-friendly products and sustainable packaging. It's a great option for sellers who prioritize environmental responsibility and want to offer eco-friendly merchandise. 18. Applique. Applique offers custom apparel with a focus on cut-and-sew garments, providing more control over the design process. It's ideal for brands looking to create unique, high-quality clothing with personalized touches, beyond simple printing.